Hello, Spencer. I'm a front-end developer, and today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk with you about antivirus. So, first, I want to invite all people who is new to my channel to subscribe. So our subject of today is about antivirus. Today, the ubiquity of computers and widespread access to the internet are an integral part of our daily lives, whether for business, education, entertainment, or simple communication. The computer has become an indispensable tool in our homes. However, in this flourishing digital age, a crucial question arises. How many computers in the world are currently protected by antivirus software? I honestly can't give you the answer, but keep in mind that the number is considerable. Indeed, the absence of adequate security measure exposes our computers to a variety of cyber risk. With this in mind, I decided to share with you today 11 of the best free antivirus program to protect your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Avast Antivirus Free. 2. Avira. 3. Next Generation Zone Alarm. 4. Total AV. 5. Commodore Antivirus Free. 6. Free AVG Antivirus. 7. Sophos House. 8. Kaspersky Security Cloud. 9. Panda Dome. 10. Malwarebytes Free Antivirus. And 11. Adware. So if you like this tutorial, you know what left. Subscribe and like our video. Let's see in the next video.